Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another Grove collaborative haul for you guys. My last one, I filmed it. Well, I tried to film it. I thought I filmed it. And when I went to upload it, I had filmed it together with my Honest Company haul. And the first half of the video was my Grove collaborative order and the last half was my Honest Company order. And the first half of it, I was nowhere to be found. So I don't know if I just didn't mash record and I just... because I have a viewfinder on my camera, so maybe I just wasn't paying attention and it didn't record it. I don't know what happened, but I can't find that. So I'm so sorry. I have had an order in between these and it's gone. It's forever lost. So I'm going to try to do this one right and show you this one, and forgive me for the last one. You'll see me using it in cleaning videos, the stuff that I got in the last order. But yeah, this is the most recent order. So if you want to see what I got, then just keep watching. So I am in my laundry room. If you're wondering like what's up with the setup in here, this is my laundry room. My ring light is plugged in right here beside me. So sorry, I wasn't prepared. I had this box in the laundry room. I didn't want to bring it all the way across the house to film, so I thought I would just bring my whole ring light and camera in here. But I know, I make no sense, but I have to put this stuff away like immediately so the kids, like my toddler, doesn't get into it, and there's cleaners in here, so you know. So anyway, the first thing I got was this Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day automatic dish packs. It says it's 20 loads, and this is the lemon verbena scent, and this is their aroma therapeutic household products. Tough on dirt and grime, gentle on your home. Lemon verbena is an herb with a light, wonderfully refreshing citrus scent. It is said to invigorate and stimulate the mind. How nice of an herb to pick you up. Next, I ordered some of the Grove Collaborative brand microfiber all-purpose cleaning cloths. This is the seafoam green ones. These are really soft. I'm really excited about these because I've been using like old rags that are falling apart to clean with, so it's nice to get some new ones. Next, I have to get fabric softener with every order pretty much because these bottles are fairly small. They don't last as long as the bigger bottles, you know, that you can get in the store full of VOCs and chemicals. But these are much better for you, so I will, and they smell so good. So I really love these. This is the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day. I haven't tried this scent yet. This is the Bluebell scent. And it's just fabric softener. And it says it does 32 loads, but I'm not too sure about that. Next, I got these Baby Organics flushable baby wipes. Fragrance free, extra gentle, plant-based, non-allergenic, sewer and septic safe. So it says pediatrician and dermatologist tested. No parabens, phthalates, sulfates, artificial dyes, or fragrances. And there are 60 wipes in here. So Miss Reagan, if you've watched my videos, you know that we've been potty training her forever. And she is officially, in my book, she's fully potty trained. So she will go pee-pee in the potty. She still is not real comfortable with going number 2 in the potty, whatever. So she does wear pull-ups at night, but during the day she wears big girl panties. So for little girls though, even little boys too, they still need to use baby wipes to get clean when they go potty. So yeah, we use flushable wipes. My husband was very against them at first because he had read something that said a plumber was like, no flushable wipes are good. They do not dissolve or disintegrate like they supposedly say, or they're not sewer and septic safe like they say. I think I need to do a video, like, I don't know, some kind of like science experiment to see if they do dissolve or disintegrate, or how long. I wonder how long that takes. I don't know. I want to do some kind of experiment to see if they really do. I don't know. But, I don't know. Flushable baby wipes. We use them for now. Hopefully we don't regret it later. Next is a first for me, ordering trash bags. These are Evolution bags. These are tall kitchen bags. These are 13 gallons, 2 foot by 2 foot, 8 inches. And these are made from 70% certified post-consumer recycled materials. Exceeds EPA procurement guidelines by 100%, and these are 50 bags. It says reduce your household carbon footprint by simply taking out the trash. So, and 1% for the planet. Product certified for reduced environmental impacts. The Pacific Attributes Evaluated, UL. It says Evolution trash bags are made from, 53% less non-renewable energy resources, crude oil and natural gas, 37% less man-made greenhouse gases, 31% less impact on ocean warming, 12% less impact on ocean acidification, 31% decrease in human exposure to ground level ozone. Life cycle analysis is based on 100,000 trash bags made from 70% post-consumer or PCR versus name brand non-PCR trash bags made in the USA. I got a toothbrush, and these are the Preserve Kids toothbrushes. This is made with love recycled yogurt cups. BPA free, 100% recycled handle, made in the USA. Okay, on the back it says, what do a parrotfish, a golden lion tamarin, and a quetzal bird all have in common? They are all endangered and benefit from our efforts to protect them and their habitats. Find out more at preserveproducts.com/kids. Okay, the next thing I ordered was this Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Aroma Therapeutic laundry detergent in the rosemary scent. I have not tried her laundry detergent yet, or this brand yet as laundry detergent. I've tried the fabric softener, so I thought I'd try them together this time. And it says it does 64 loads per bottle, and this is supposedly concentrated, so that's why it's such a smaller, you can use a smaller amount, a smaller bottle. And these are made with plant-derived ingredients, essential oils, stain-fighting enzymes, and they're made without parabens, phthalates, optical brighteners, chlorine and formaldehyde, and artificial colors. And this is cruelty-free. And the bottles are made with at least 30% PCR. This is another Mrs. Meyer's product, what do you know? And this is a lavender scented glass cleaner, and this is 24 fluid ounces. Made without ammonia, formaldehyde, artificial colors, phthalates, made with plant-derived cleaners, natural essential oils, and corn-derived alcohol. So there is alcohol in here, so keep out of reach of children. And it is cruelty-free. So that's everything for this haul. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe down below. I'll also leave my Grove Collaborative referral link down below if you'd like to check them out and get your own subscription. And yeah, that's all I have for you today. Thanks so much for watching. I love you, and Jesus loves you too. God bless you all. Bye.